Hello and welcome to a CFMEU news update for the 5th of March. My name is Emily Barker. The CFMEU has slammed plans to privatise taxpayer-owned assets in Queensland, including power stations and ports. The union has criticised a proposal from Peter Costello to privatise the CS Energy and Stanwell Corporation coal-fired power stations in southeast Queensland. This follows continued uncertainty from the Newman government, which refuses to confirm whether it will or won't sell off Gladstone Port. Queensland District President Stephen Smythe lambasted Premier Newman for considering the sell-off with little evidence of long-term benefit to Queensland or its workers. Mr Smythe said voters did not give the government a privatisation mandate, and he also questioned Peter Costello's economic credentials for making such suggestions. The union has warned multinational mining companies against targeting mine workers to recoup costs from management bungles. National President Tony Moura said big mining companies are officially on notice after they announced they would embark on company-wide cost-cutting. BHP Billiton and Rio Tinto both recently changed their CEOs, Marius Kloppers and Tom Albanese, after bungling several multi-billion-dollar investment decisions. Mr Moura said the union would not stand for multinationals attacking mine workers' pay and conditions for the mistakes of company headquarters. The union is reminding coal industry employees who may have unclaimed long service leave that they have just weeks to claim it. Employees who have unrecognised leave from January 1, 2000 to December 31, 2011 that they must lodge their application by March 31 this year. The union advises coal industry workers to check their records if they think they might be eligible before the deadline. Information and application forms can be found at coallslcorp.com.au. And finally, it might be good news for residents of Moura in central Queensland who continue to fight to save their public hospital. This week, the Moura community continue to meet with Queensland Health Department representatives to maintain services in the mining town. The CFMEU backed a campaign from residents to keep the hospital open after cost-cutting from the Newman government put the hospital's future in danger. The town was infamously the site of some of the biggest coal mining disasters in Australia's history. The union argued that mine workers, as well as employees of other heavy industry and their families, deserved a proper hospital nearby. For more information on these stories, plus the latest from the Let's Spread It Around campaign, please go to the CFMEU website.